You think sleep is quiet? You're wrong. Josh here, and this is what happens to your body while you sleep, only on the Infographics Show. You spend 2 hours a night dreaming. That is 6 years of your life gone. Less than 15% of people remember most dreams. 16% remember nothing. 12% dream in black and white. Sleep for 8 hours, your body will burn around 400 calories. That is 6 chicken nuggets and sauce of your choice. Relax, spiders won't crawl into your mouth. Everyone has their own position. 54% sleep on their side, 38% on their back, only 7% on their stomach. Part of our male demographic, you have 3 to 5 erections while you snooze. Each bed boner can last 20 to 30 minutes. Yes, really. Your testicles, they heat to a cozy 96.8 degrees Fahrenheit, and during the day they're only 94 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, testicular torsion is more likely to strike while you doze. A genuine doomsday clock for your groin. Our advice, be part of the 38% and sleep on your back. Hair grows slower at night because metabolism, unless you're bald, unlucky. Your fingernails will repair themselves but grow slower at night. Your body wakes you up 5 to 10 times a night. Sometimes it's because you stopped breathing and your brain freaked out. Your body temperature drops 1 to 2 degrees Fahrenheit. Your heart rate dips 20 to 30% below average. Your brain flips into spring cleaning mode. Useless info deleted. Synapses shrink 20%. Wake up with a wet pillow? Saliva production drops at night. Your swallowing reflex relaxes, meaning whatever spit is left just escapes. Wake up with wet sheets? Well, that's a different problem. Got a spring in your step in the morning? That's your body repairing cells. It pumps out cytokines to boost your immune system fighting off illness. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. You don't want to sleep on this channel. Some people talk in their sleep. 5% of adults, almost half of kids do it too. Just don't call out your ex's name. Other muscles loosen too, including your sphincters, so farts escape easier. You won't smell it though, your sense of smell is its weakest at night. Feel something in the back of your throat? That's a snot cocktail. Mucus and bacteria build up overnight. It's got nowhere else to go. Your skin dehydrates. Sebum oil production drops at night. That shiny morning face, overnight sweat, and dead skin buildup. Crusty eyes? You don't blink during your sleep, so oil and dead skin cells collect in the corner of your eyes because there's nothing to wash that eye candy away. Oh, and the official name? Room. Up to 31% of people grind their teeth during sleep. 4% of people sleepwalk. The body actually grows during sleep, around 0.3 inches. The tension in your spine throughout the day is released. Your body sheds around 0.07 ounces of dead skin. That's over 25 ounces every year. Your stomach is a vat of acid, making it more toxic than your ex. It kicks into overdrive while you sleep, aggressively shedding and replacing its own cells. That means new lining every few days. Signals to your arms and legs? Cut off. If they weren't, in that dream where you're flying, well, you'd try it. Not ideal if your bedroom is on the second floor. And of course, while you sleep, millions of people are up and busy uploading YouTube videos. So check out What If You Never Slept Day by Day for why your nightly rest is so critical, or watch this video instead.